What if the key to your chronic stress, your anxiety, or even the physical discomfort that follow you every day is not outside you, but in the deep in you, our energetic blueprint? This video will guide you to uncover the incredible power of your chakra system and show how balancing this inner force can bring vitality, clarity, and peace into your life. Your made powerful decision to be here because, unlike most people who keep running in cycle without understanding why life feels so heavy, you are choosing awareness. That choice alone sets you apart. It makes you someone who dare to face truth and transformation. My name and I am Big Hans, holistic doctor of Templum Diane, and I have guided hundreds of thousands of students every year to reclaim their power, strengthen their bodies, and awaken their spirits. Throughout my methods, countless lives have been lifted from confusion into clarity and control. So you continue this journey and never miss the lesson that build your path to mastery, click like right now and subscribe to this channel. Every lesson you miss costs you time, energy, and opportunity to grow, so make this commitment to yourself today. Now let's confront the uncomfortable reality. When you lose balance in your inner energy, you lose your control of your life. You notice in your stable relationship, in endless arguments, in opportunities that vanish, and even the way your finances seem to fall apart without reason. You might not want to admit it, but deep inside you already feel the sign, that constant tension in your chest, the way sleep does not refresh you, the emptiness you try to fill with distraction, and the sinking fear when bills arrive. These are all signs of blocked energy. The truth is cold and clear. No one is coming to save you if you keep ignoring this sign. Every day that you delay, the imbalance grows and they pay the price with your health, your relationship, and your stability. Pretending it is not your responsibility only depends the truth. But there is also warmth and hope, because energy is never fixed in failure. The same forces that hold you back can be redirected into the power that helps, strengthens, and lifts you. Balance isn't just possible, it's waiting for you the moment you choose to act. The chakra system is the ancient map of your inner energy, seven centers that govern survival, creativity, willpower, love, thought, vision, and spiritual connection. Each chakra influences every aspect of your life, and balance in quickly poison the rest. Think of your root chakra, the foundation of security and stability. When blocked, you feel fear around money and instability in your home. Think of your heart chakra, the set of love. When closed, it leaves you isolated and cold, even when surrounded by others. When the throat chakra is blocked, your throat is silence and you feel powerless in conversation and decision. When the third eye is closed, your intuition fails and you cannot see the right path. These are not abstract ideas, they are real barriers that control you. But balance brings the positive confidence, clarity, flow, and peace. When energy flows freely, money begins to stabilize your relationship, again harmony. Decisions become sharper, and your body feels lighter, healthier, and more alive. Life itself begins to flow again. The practices that restore balance are not complex, ritual, or expensive at all. They are grounded in awareness, breath, meditation, and focus. They ask only for your attention and responsibility, because no one can restore this energy for you. It belongs to you alone. When you breathe into your root and feel grounded, you strengthen stability. When you meditate on your heart and upper lid, love flows. When you focus your mind at the third eye, clarity arises. Small action ripple into great transformation when repeated with intention. Every practice is a proof that control is within your reach. Every deep breath, every moment of focus, every decision to show up yourself is a declaration that you are no longer drifting, but steering your own life, guided by balance and awareness of energy. Do not fall for the illusion that someone else can do this for you. No guru, no partner, no friend will balance your chakra in your place. They might inspire or guide you, but it is your responsibility, your choice, and your action that restore control to your life. The responsibility is heavy, but it's also liberating. If you ignore your energy, you invite chaos. If you choose to balance it, you create order and power. The choice cannot be avoided. Right now, you are standing at the crossroad where action defines destiny. If you're ready to take the next step, I invite you to claim the guided relaxation MP3 linked in the bio. It's designed to open your energy flow, and tomorrow you will also receive access to a free meditation course that expands your practice even further. This opportunity is a test of your commitment. Will you delay and let same imbalance continue to drain you, or will you take action, download the MP3 and enjoy the free course? The tools are waiting, the shift is real, and only your decision will make it happen. I will meet you in the next lesson where we continue unlocking the secret of energy, awareness, and personal mastery. Until then, remember this truth: your chakra are not just symbols, they are the key to freedom, the power, and the destiny you were born to claim.